Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at a car that we just got in. It's a name that came out of the past, one of the most early cars in the world, but they don't make them anymore. And I'll tell you what, this is such a gem, someone's going to want this car. Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, in our air-conditioned showroom floor where we have close to 100 vehicles for sale at this particular time. Come and take a look in person if you like. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Come on in. We'd love to show you some of our inventory. Beautiful stuff. Right now, today, we're going to show you a really nice example of a no longer made vehicle called an Oldsmobile. Everyone knows the Oldsmobile name, but they don't make them anymore. And I'll tell you what, back when this came out in 1972, this was absolutely still in the luxury field. Olds was trying to keep up with Cadillac and the likes of Lincoln. This particular car has only 2 owners and a little over 46,000 actual original miles. I mean, the black paint on this car is absolutely outstanding, and everybody knows a car of this size, trying to get quarter panels and fenders and stuff straight and hoods is a little bit of a challenge, but boy, whoever did this car did it right, and it wasn't originally a black car to start with. If you look at it, you can see that it came from someone who was extremely fussy and took very good care of it from day one. We got beautiful chrome all the way around, and again, like I said, the paint is outstanding with the black vinyl top, of course, which is also in excellent original condition. You know, these were big motors, big cars, front wheel drive. I mean, this was a road car to the nth degree, if you will. And it's got the big block in it and every conceivable option that I could find in the books according to what they say Oldsmobiles could come with. This thing's got it. I mean, you got power steering, power brakes, power windows, power door locks, power seats. The air conditioning works beautifully, blows nice and cold. So especially with the black car with black interior, it's probably a really good thing that it does work. But like I said, the original interior is in absolutely pristine condition. It's the vinyl with the cloth inserts in the middle. This thing has tilt steering. One of the really interesting little things that it has, and I've only seen one of these before, is the outside thermometer, which was an option from Oldsmobile. So rather than what we have today, look on our screens in our new cars, this one you looked out your driver's door and seen what the temperature was outside, making yourself even more happy that you have air conditioning. Like I said, this car was a 2-owner car, beautiful, nice radial red wall tires with the correct Toronado hubcaps. It has everything that you were looking for if this is what you were wanting to have in this day and age. So if you need an Oldsmobile in your collection, especially from in the early 70s, we have it right here at Ellingson's. You can look at all our inventory at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube, you can find us on Instagram. Make us a favorite. We've got a lot of really good cars right now, all available for you right here at Ellingson's. If you're looking for an Oldsmobile, we've got it.